Expert panel. Let's debate it with our expert panel. Did the jury buy Jodi Arias' story? And we have to start with the defense on that one. Anahita Sedaghatfar.
Well, clearly, Jane, they didn't buy her story because they convicted her of first-degree murder unanimously, 12 jurors. They also unanimously agreed that there was an aggravating factor of cruelty. But I have to say, Jane, I'm not surprised that we had 4 jurors, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 jurors, that although they found her guilty of first-degree murder, although they agreed that this was the cruelest form of murder, they could not put her to death. They could not put her to death. That was the hardest decision that those jurors had to make. And I've said this, and I've gotten a lot of slack for saying this, but I think the reason for that is because those jurors formulated some type of bond with Jodi Arias. They didn't like her. That's true. They didn't believe what she said,
Murphy for the prosecution.
They couldn't kill her.
Look, they did not bond with her, please.
That they're not going to take death off the table.
Well, let us bring in
whether or not
2 of our experts.
Another impaneled jury is gonna send her to death. I think it was very telling, John.
We don't know, but listen, the jury foreperson made it clear that Jodi Arias' 18 days on the stand hurt her because of all of her lies. So this jury did not bond with Jodi Arias.
They didn't give her death. Guys, we're going to have plenty of time to debate tonight, but
going to come back and bite Jodi Arias. I believe those media interviews, in part, are going to dig her own grave. They were the most ill-advised, crazy interviews
why would that
ever.
come back to haunt her? We know those jurors don't like her. They didn't believe her, John, and they still
and this new jury is going to see that and hear that.
And what did she say
after all that was that awful? Let me ask the experts here. Nobody knows more about this case than these 2 ladies.
This is what I would be thinking if I'm Juan Martinez, no matter what else I'm thinking. Forget the budget. She manipulated, lied, used the media, used porn, used her image, completely disrespected Travis and his family, falsely accused him of pedophilia. I would keep pushing for the death penalty, even if I thought I wouldn't win, so as not to reward her for those disgusting tactics. I would put her through the grinder just for doing the grotesque things she's done.
John Lieberman.
Jodi.
Jane, let me respond. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
I was going to say, Jane, I think the bigger question is, I don't think Juan Martinez is going to take death off the table. I think he should. But the bigger question is, will Jodi Arias accept such a plea offer? Because certainly that plea offer will include a waiver of all appeals. And at this point, the fact that there were 4 holdouts, I think, is very telling. And there are some viable appellate issues that she has. So I think we all know they're not.
They have been so careful. They have been so careful. They have gone out of their way to make sure that Jodi Arias got a fair trial in this case, maybe even too lenient with a lot of what they've done. They have gone completely in Jodi Arias' favor. But listen to this. Jodi Arias has made a mockery of Jodi.
We're going to take a quick break and we're going to continue.
You're sexually fantasizing about. The prosecutor will think about that the next time. And
Hold on. Did you just? No way. Okay, wait. Let's rewind that. We're rewinding that. Come on now.
I'm serious. It's like racism. It's like racism.
I'm sorry. I'm going to keel over. It's very hot here in.
Your motion to withdraw is denied.
Let's debate it. Should the defense team representing Jodi Arias, Kirk Nurmi, and Jennifer Wilmot get off the case now? They've tried before. The Arizona Republic claims they intend to stay on the case, but we don't know that independently. So what do you think, Anahita Sedaghatfar? Should they leave?
I definitely think they're going to try to leave because Jodi Arias has proven to be a defense attorney's worst nightmare. These defense attorneys worked for years trying to save Jodi Arias' life, and she goes on a media tour like she's Kim Kardashian and throws her attorneys under the bus, sabotaging her own defense. You know, I agree with your other guests that we do need to give her defense attorneys a lot of credit here because I think that part of the reason, a huge part of the reason 4 of those jurors didn't put her to death is because of those defense attorneys.
That's right.
Briefly, John Lieberman.
No, that's true.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know about that. I don't know why they didn't choose death, but I don't.